what, you bozo?
Get away from the back of my house, bitch.
That's a real nice car, bud.
Get away, bitch.
I'm about to steal.
I'm gonna shoot you from the window, bitch.
I'm about to steal. Come outside, come be on my vlog.
Get away from my window.
Yo, boy, stop playing if I really snipe you. Like, what you gonna do if I put that sniper on you? Y'all see that green? Y'all see that light, y'all? Look, let me zoom in for y'all. I'm at Saji punk ass house getting my bumper.
Hey, listen to them. Come on, man.
Oh, my fault. I'ma bleep that out. Yo, I'm at So's house. I'm at SRT So's house. And I'm coming to get my shit, y'all. Straight like that. It's just that simple. Y'all see me coming to get my bumper. I told y'all the last couple videos, well, last video, I ain't gonna say couple videos, it only was one video, I ain't gonna geese it. I said I'm getting my bumper. So guess what I got? My bumper. I got the sport bumper. Actually, Saji went and got my bumper. Let me tell y'all the story, cause he want, you know, he just needs his credit, you know. Niggas just need their credit. My fault. We gotta leave him in the credits at the end and all that, featuring collab the vid, all types of shit, cause he did one thing. Oh my god. But shout out Saji, cause the APO website. Oh, I'm not gonna say that. Let me bleep that part out. The website that we actually get this from, you know, it really irritates me. You can also call them and pick up, but I told Saji I'm not doing that shit. I'm sending you the money. You know how to do it. Get it. And he got it. So let me show y'all something. We got this legendary bozo. You see him? A real weenie. True honorary weenie. You see this dude? He's a fucking weenie. Yeah. Show them. See this? Y'all see this? Look at this. Wait. Let me show them. Let me show the people what we have, okay? Relax. Telling y'all. Relax. Yeah, it's cold as fuck, y'all. Exactly. But y'all see, wait. Let me show them. Damn. Don't hate on me. Look. Hold on, y'all. I'm fucking up with the gimbal.
I'm buying the grill.
Hold on, fucking up. Oh, it's cause I pressed zoom.
Oh, the grill.
The grill, the top grill the same, the bottom grill different. Huh, hold it up. Boom. Y'all see what that is. It's a sport bumper. But yeah, let me figure out a way to put this in the car. I'll be right back with y'all. This is what I got going on. I got the bumper shoved up in this joint. I made it work. You feel me? That's how you just make shit work. Bumpers in the car. About to take this joint home. Bye, lame ass nigga. About to go take my shit in the house. Fuck yeah, he got some medals. He think he doing something. Lame ass nigga. Fuck out of there. They ain't even cut on. What you got, the blocker? It didn't even record. See, he don't even know how to work him right. Look out of here. He fluke his shit. He don't even know what he doing. Get out of here. You see, I got big bougie camera. You feel me? And medals on. You feel me? Big bougie camera. Look how that shit. Look how we look. Look how this shit look. This shit speak for itself. You hear me, mud?
I'm not buying this. I don't need the 16 Pro.
What? I got that too. I can take calls and be on the video. My shit 4K. What? Hello? He can't do this while he on the video. My lips dry as shit.
I don't even gotta do that.
He can't even take a call. It's gonna bang. Dumbass, it's gonna go to the glasses. You can't record while you on the call. He don't even know no better. It's alright, you gonna get a camera. See ya! Definitely wanna be me. It's lit. Boom. Alright. me go get this joint to the crib. See y'all in a second. Damn. So, I know y'all probably like, where the fuck is he at? I'm in my garage and shit. I know y'all ain't never seen this yet or whatever, but this my garage pretty much. You feel me? Not much to it, just the garage. That's all it is. Hold on, I'm trying to touch the camera and shit. You feel me? But yeah, so y'all can move around with me. See the garage right now? We're doing a bunch of bullshit. I'm working on the G. I got my front bumper. Now I ain't want to show y'all the other shit. This not no tutorial video. I don't make tutorial videos. I never will. I'm not the tutorial boy. I don't even know what everything called. I'm gonna say grab the joint and twist it, and you gonna feel the yeah, and that's going. You mean that's the type of tutorial you want? No. But I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. Walk with me. You feel me? The camera gonna follow me and shit. But boom, hold on, my fault. I fucked this joint up. Camera, I'm here. Hey, camera. But let me just flip the camera the whole time. You feel me? But this is what we got going on right now. Yeah. We working on the G. You see this shit? Y'all see what's going on. I just lost focus with the cam. We ain't tripping though, cause it's right back. But this joint trying to follow my face. Y'all see what's going on. This the card. Yeah. So that's what we got going on right now. I ain't got nobody here helping me. So this shit is what it is. You feel me? We gotta make best out of what we can. But I'm a matter of fact, let me flip the cam. Let me show y'all what's going on. Let me show y'all what's going on. So look, I'm gonna put y'all on the sauce though. If you got Z1 intakes and you want your shit to stand up and really look right, put zip ties. Black ones if you don't want them to be seen. I run a grill, so I don't really give a fuck. But that's the sauce. Shout out the boy, I think it's YouTube like Stino. Y'all know who I'm talking about. The boy out Baltimore with that G. But yeah. We got the sport bumper over there. I ain't even show y'all that properly. Matter of fact, let me flip y'all back to me. Chill out, chill out, chill out. But let me go grab the sport bumper real quick. I'm gonna show y'all what that joint looking like, cause I gotta take all the tabs off the old one, the brackets and shit. So I was trying to get that together. I'm gonna find that bumper. Y'all see what's going on? Get a little vibe for what's about to happen. I still got this shit from support going, this shit about to piss me off. I need help. Y'all just sit there and watch me struggle, but it's coming together. We'll see in a few minutes. That shit just made me tired a little bit. Yeah, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all in a few minutes. I'm gonna get this, transfer the rest of these tabs, slap this back on, and yeah, show y'all that. Boom. So look, well, I know last night I was finishing the bumper. Now you see how I'm walking around it. I'm walking around it like that on purpose. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I got it on. Oh shit, excuse me. I'm gonna go get my paint sample today so I can get the paint for it. But something else came about. Something real random. Something that wasn't in the plans. And the camera's about to die, so I gotta hurry up and show y'all. But I'm gonna do a 2-for-1 in this vid and do a little unveiling. And remember what I said, I don't do tutorials. This is not a tutorial. I know I look a little crusty, dusty. I just woke up, seen this on I wake up and check Marketplace. If you know, you know. Car dudes, we wake up, Marketplace. Before I brushed my teeth, Marketplace. I didn't even wash my face. I only brushed my teeth. And I threw water on my shit. I ain't even really, you feel me? TMI, but I'm telling y'all. Well, posted this joint on Marketplace. Let me show y'all what we got. Man, we got a motherfucking Tesla screen. Yes. It's not the biggest version, but it is a good one. Either way. Y'all wouldn't believe what I got this for. You never know until you offer. He had this joint posted up for $500. I said, bro, $200, I come right now. He said, bet, come on. Say no more. I'll get back with y'all. Alright, y'all. Y'all see the same hoodie again. Y'all like, this nigga dirty. He always got that hoodie on. I'm in a different location. I know y'all don't know where I'm at. Hey, y'all don't even know. These got some new characters to show y'all and everything. Like, but wait, I never showed the bumper. Damn. I gotta get the lower grill. But y'all see what's going on. I just got the front window bombed. We got a sport front bumper on there. I ain't gonna lie, front window bomb make the car look 10 times more aggressive. Ooh, shit look good. This the man with the plan.
Yo, man.
Your man, come give him your money.
Yes.
He's gonna do something good with it.
Yes, I am. I'm going to build my car with it.
Yes, and then he's gonna buy cocaine and hookers.
Exactly.
But don't worry about that part. That's the shit y'all don't get to see. Yeah, y'all. Y'all see the G. We did the front bumper. Everything came out nice. But wait, I got something else to show y'all. I got some, you feel me? If you know, you know. Everybody want these. I ain't gonna lie, you did your thing with that front window quick too. That shit look good as fuck. It's not OD dark though, like I can still see through it a little bit. It's dark enough though. Yeah, I needed that though. Cause I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Earlier, I'm gonna tell y'all what made me decide I need to get this front window done. I went to Chipotle, and when I was walking away from my car, it was like it looked good, but like, god damn, I was looking straight through it when I was walking away. And it's like, yeah, that's like taking away from the look. And everybody know, like when you make content and shit, you need them blacked out windows. You need that look. But y'all see what's going on. Oh, G-ski. It's so crazy. Right before I started this clip, my man Ant was like, "You really loving this joint?" And I'm like, "What made you say that?" Because he's like, "Bro, you didn't get rid of it yet." If you really know me, you know I don't keep a car for long at all. I get rid of everything. I threw spacers on the back wheels. I didn't tell y'all. I tried to be sneaky about it. You probably can see it. See if you got a little pockage now for when we drop her. She gonna look right. See how she look on both sides. Real nice, real cute. You know what I mean? Tell them though. It's, you know what I mean? We getting the bit together. I promised y'all that I was gonna get this joint together. I was gonna give y'all this content, and I'm doing that. Y'all see?
Oh, I'm 100% gonna have to.
Look, we in here getting busy. See what my man doing? Come shop. Y'all see the sign, man. You mean? You can come get your shit right. Get okay? Come through popping, you know what I'm saying? What he said? You know Papa saw meal. That shit right there. Damn! He gonna need some different glass in that joint. We gotta put some Lex on him. That shit. He need that bougie shit. Said this regular shit can't put up with it. Yeah, yo. It's cool, yo. Watch. After I put my Tesla screen in, y'all gonna build my chooch for me? How much? I need to listen, right? I'm entry level, all right? Don't give me the best of the best. Give me some all right shit. Give me a chooch. I need a nice chooch.
I'm gonna show him how to boy. I'm just gonna turn it on.
Yeah, man. I need a system. I don't want to go full system, but I need something behind my seat. Can't nobody fit behind me. I'm big as shit, so you feel me? One joint, one little box, okay. Come through, I can, you feel me, slap him up on top of the car, be all on some cool shit. I want to be able to do that. we don't do that shit.
Yeah, we straight panels.
Yeah, y'all see, y'all too poppy. I'm less poppy. You see? Y'all full poppy, consider me half poppy, you know what I mean? So you gotta give me half of it.
Y'all know Roy went to them for 3 years.
Okay. It's the front windshield. Yeah, to think about that shit. Like, what you mean don't roll it down? You know what I'm saying? These joints can roll it down? That shit. That shit like, yo, I gotta buy one. Imagine if a front window could roll down, like, where it's going?
That's the good.
It looked way better.
Way better, bro.
Way better.
I ain't gonna lie, you probably wouldn't have been happy with 35, bro. If you had anything like me,
I wouldn't have liked it. I ain't gonna lie, it's funny. I'd have been paying for that shit twice.
Yeah.
I know me, because I would have ended up taking it off, or I'd have got tired of it. Now I'm coming back for you to take it off, and now I want some darker shit. But yeah, y'all, G-Ski looking all cute. Wait, show him the fogs. Show him the fogs. Oh yeah, we got something, man. It's the little switch. I turned them off. Oh fuck, man, yeah, y'all see that? Okay, yeah. Okay, hold on, I can't see coming down the road, but I can't see. See, I got the switchbacks. Them joints, 6,000 lumens for the white, 3,500 for the yellow. Not too bright, but she look good, y'all. I'm gonna end this video here. You see, got my brother man Antonio.
me,
Coming for the fastest Honda in the biddy.
that part.
You know what I mean? My man said big turbo. If your shit ain't pushing, keep it up. Put it up.
Shit, Honda Day.
Bro, I love that. You was at Honda Day this year?
What?
I was there. Where the fuck was you at?
Nigga, I was there. I was
How the fuck I didn't see you?
telling you, bro.
I was looking with my hand down. I'm gonna say, nigga, I go to Honda Day like every year. No weird shit. I love Honda Day.
Bro, I be taking that trip.
But that should be the most fun. But yeah, yo, car coming together. I'm gonna end this vid here. I know I showed you on the Tesla screen. I might put that in this video. If I don't, we'll make that its own video. But I'm a holler.